With Reliant Technology by your side, you are the hero. When IT maintenance is a mess, it can throw your department into chaos. Unsupported assets and forced renewals frustrate your team, and budget overruns make you lose sleep. When you have the right partner, your storage, server, and network support will have a positive impact. Together, we can design a proactive process for all your hardware. You'll know 24 months in advance which assets will roll off and escape post-warranty OEM price hikes. Then sit back and watch your assets automatically transition from OEM coverage to TPM support as savings roll in. You're the hero, spending less money, and less time negotiating maintenance contracts. With more than 14 years of experience working in a myriad of industries, Reliant Technology remains quick and nimble, providing extraordinary service to our customers. Schedule a meeting with Reliant Technology today and be the IT hero at your company.